Let's form our Sinamy bias strip. This is what we use to cover the thread that we use in sewing our freeform brim. So we don't need to see all these threads. So when we form the Sinamy bias strip, use it to cover the thread in order for our work to be neat. So first of all, you have to cut your Sinamy in bias form. Here I have 3 inches. So when you cut it, you fold it into 2. You can see it's folded into 2. So unfold is 3 inches. So when I fold it like this, it will be 1.5, 1.5. Fold into 2. Then fold one part into the center. Essence of folding into 2 is to get the center. So you fold one part of it to the center of the Sinamy. You fold it from one end to the other end. So after folding it, you turn the other part of it and also fold it to the center again, so that the 2 of them will meet, but none should overlap any. So you may just make the 2 edges to meet at the center of the Sinamy. When you are done, you have something like this. Then you now fold it again for you to have this. And now fold it. Now try to, because what you want to cover is in circular form, and this is straight. If I try to use this to cover this while it is still in straight form like this, it will not be neat. So you need to straighten your Sinamy. See the way it is when we started, it is straight. You need to make it to be curved, so that when you want to use it to cover your work, it will align perfectly without any rough edge. You see, right? The stretching is you hold it at the edge like this and stretch it inside. You see that it is forming that circle, so that by the time you put it on your brim there now, it will see the way it will align perfectly. So I have something circular now, but it doesn't end there. I still need to iron it in circular. You see the difference from when it was straight to now. When you're done, you get your steam iron and iron it. Remember, what you are covering is in circle form. You don't iron it straight, you iron it in circular form. You iron it round like this, so that, like I told you before, it can go in perfectly well. You don't iron it straight. Okay, so you can see the way it is aligning perfectly, because we ironed it in a circular form, and even it was still straight, it wouldn't have come so neatly like this. Can you see it? It is aligning very well because we ironed it in circular form, and even it's still straight. There is no way I can align very well like this. So it's ideal you iron your bias strip in circular form so that you can easily align. It's where you want to use it to cover and straighten it to be very nice and neat. Now put up the excess and see how neat it is. Can't even differentiate it from the name Sinamy. So when you are done, you can use your iron to smoothen it more. Your job has to be very neat. And now when you come here, it's okay. So I need to come and give me something serious. So I see it is very neat. Hope you can see it. See the strip. Very neat. I'll now touch it. From it. It is very, very neat.